Let's learn basic, commonly used English words. You can listen to these words to improve your pronunciation and also to understand when and where to use it. The children are waiting in their school canteen. It is one of the famous painting. The green tea is very hot. I will drink after a few minutes. I'm wearing my favorite blue shoes. This car is very expensive. The dogs are standing together. I accepted all my birthday gifts. My classroom is always neat and clean. He is about to start a business on his own. He is standing straight without moving. The cat is hiding under the chair. This is my pencil. It is longer than yours. They are going to their school. This is my favorite blue color shirt. I wear this coat during winter season. I usually wear a tie to my office. The wall clock is very pretty. Vegetables are good for health. I always have a pocket dictionary in my bag. The cat is sitting on the chair. I like fruits, especially banana. Leaves begin to fall in the month of October. I usually drink coffee in the morning. She is writing a letter with a pencil. I need to make a call to my office. This doctor is very polite. I have these 3 files with me. Every morning I drink a glass of milk. You are slow, just like a turtle. As soon as I wake up, I drink a glass of warm water. I like to play chess with my sister. The children are waiting for the school bus. He is listening to music. I like to eat bread with jam. There are many fishes in my aquarium. She appears to be strong and healthy. The elephant is standing in front of the house. She isn't as energetic as she once was. The child is very cute. Let's do this together. The sun rises in the east. We go to beach every summer. Don't forget to turn off the light. She is my favorite teacher. Good students study hard. She painted the wall purple. She is decorating the birthday cake. My family goes skiing every winter. I have an elder sister. We are twin brothers.